Are you still confused with loose powder and setting powder? And if you don't know which one to choose, today we are going to be breaking it down for you so that you know which one to use based on your needs. Now, in general, powders are actually used for setting your makeup. If you have applied foundation, concealer, to set that particular makeup, we are using powders, and also to kind of give a matte finish and to take away the shine and the oiliness, we are using powders. So today I will be breaking it down for you so that you can understand the significance of each and every powder that are available. Also, all the powders that I'll be mentioning in today's video are from Inside Cosmetics professional line. They are basically infused with vitamin E and skincare ingredients, so it is actually safe for your skin as well. Now, I'll be starting off with this pressed powder or compact powder. Okay, so this is from Inside Cosmetics. It is their Compact Plus Foundation powder. It has a weightless creamy texture which gives you long wear matte look with buildable coverage. It works as a two-in-one product. It can be used as a foundation itself or as a pressed powder. It helps in reducing face imperfections and helps in controlling the redness and gives you a very nice even look. It is infused with vitamin E, also helps in absorbing excess oil. It can be used wet or dry. Now, as you can see, I have a full face of foundation. It is looking a little bit wet and you can see all the shine peeking through, and also I need a little bit of coverage, so I will be using this Inside Cosmetics Compact Plus Foundation powder, which is super fine and very light. When you apply it on your skin, you don't feel that heavy feeling. It is very light. It helped in removing all that shine from my face, giving me some sort of coverage, and also it helped in blurring my skin. I can tell very clearly as I'm looking into my camera that it really blurred out my skin a lot. And the best part is it is not messy like loose powder, so I can easily carry it to work and use it whenever I want and touch up my skin with this sort of Compact Plus foundation powders. Like, they are so easy, especially for the summers. It's like the best thing that you can have in your bag. Now, coming to loose powders are more finely milled compared to any other powders, okay? And they actually helps in setting your makeup, and you can do a lot more things with loose powder. This is the Inside Professional Banana Loose Powder. It is one of my favorites. It gives matte finish and helps in removing all the shine. It locks the base. It also helps in baking my under eyes, and also it is very long wearing. Okay, so as you can see, I have just applied my concealer and I need to set that up. Now, there is two ways that you can use this sort of banana loose powder. Either you can set your under eyes very lightly or you can bake it. I personally like to set my under eyes lightly, where I tap the excess powder in back of my hand and lightly press the powder underneath my eyes, keeping my under eyes looking fresh, velvety and soft, and giving me that snatched look all day. Now, banana loose powders are great for giving you that brightening effect, but if you want a little bit more pigmented powder, you can definitely go for this one. This is the Inside Professional Loose Powder, and it is in the shade 13 Honey for medium complexion with yellow undertone. It is actually great. It gives you matte finish. It is very long wearing, has that fine texture powder. If I am not using the Compact Plus Foundation Press powder, I would like to use a powder like this and set my full face with a brush so that my base is locked in. And as they are very finely milled, it just kind of creates that beautiful velvety layer where my makeup is all set. I just applied a little bit of this on my forehead and you can see how beautiful it looks. As it's a pigmented loose powder and it is for medium complexion and it has that yellow undertone, it looks really nice and natural. It doesn't give you the white cast, so you can choose a pigmented powder based on your need, and that's how you can choose which one you want to personally go for. Next, we have the Inside Professional Pressed Baking Powder, which comes in 3 different shades and you can use it in a multi-purpose way. Okay, starting off, it comes with a white translucent powder. If you want a very sharp and defined under eyes, or if you want to sharp and define any particular area of your face, you can use that white translucent loose powder. The yellow tinted powder can be used on your face and as well as your under eyes. Lastly, there is a contour shade as well to contour your face, and you can define and sculpt it as you want. Like, I personally really like the formulas. Again, they are pressed powder, very easy to use, on the go. You don't have to worry about the mess. Again, it's one of my favorite formulas. Also, these pressed powders are dermatologically tested. They are skin friendly, and actually they will not cause you acne or breakouts. They are perfect for sensitive skin. Now, how I like to use this sort of powders, as you can see, I have just done my eyeliner, but I need to like sharpen those areas so that my face looks much more lifted. So I like to go in with the white powder and just kind of bake over there lightly, and these are pretty pigmented. As you can see, it will really kind of help in sharpening and giving me that highlighted and sculpted face. Going with the contour shade, I like to apply it on my cheeks and sculpt my cheeks and give it more defined look, which I personally like. I like to go it underneath my jaw area and also on my forehead, because I don't like how my forehead looks really white. So I want to kind of give a shadow and a dimension, which I personally love. Now, as you can see, the whole look is coming together. This is the favorite part of my makeup routine, where I apply contour and the face just kind of, comes together and looks much more lively. Now, it has been 3 hours now, and you can see my makeup still looks really fresh, and you don't see any oil seeping through, or my face looks shiny. It just gives that very beautiful blurred face, and if I come close, you cannot see my pores, and also my face looks so blurred and so nice, which I really. And lastly, if you ask me, do you need pressed powder or the loose powder, I would say you need both in your makeup vanity, because these both powders have different functionality and these are super affordable. So I would personally recommend you to have both in your makeup vanity and use it according to your occasion. So I hope that I have cleared out your confusion among loose powders and the pressed powders. So I hope you like it, and yes, we'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.